In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in a Smartsheet report, Report Filters 1826. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get the right rows to rise to the top of your report, so you can make decisions faster and with confidence. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Any modern browser works fine. If you use Smartsheet often, it's a good idea to bookmark the page so you can get back to it quickly. Next, log into your Smartsheet account. This is quick. Enter your credentials or use your company's single sign-on if that's enabled. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're in the one that has access to the reports you want to filter. After you log in, you'll land on your home page. This is your hub. You'll typically see your recent items, favorites, and anything shared with you. If you don't see your report immediately in recents or favorites, don't worry, we'll navigate to it next. From home, click All Workspaces. You'll usually find this on the left-hand navigation. Workspaces are simply containers where teams keep related sheets, reports, and dashboards together. Opening the correct workspace first makes it easier to locate the report you need. Now, select the workspace that contains your report, and then open the report that draws from your sheets. Reports in Smartsheet aggregate rows from one or more source sheets, so make sure you're in the report itself, not the underlying sheet. If you see a summary of multiple sources and columns pulled together, you're in the right place. To filter the report, open the Filter Criteria controls. You'll see options to add conditions. Select the field, this is the column you want to filter by. Then choose the type of comparison, like is not, contains, is one of, greater than, or between. Finally, enter or pick the value you want to match. For example, you might choose status is one of complete, or due date is in the next 7 days. If your report pulls from multiple sheets, remember that the column names must match across those sheets for the filter to work consistently. As soon as you apply the criteria, your report will update automatically. There's no need to refresh. The filtered rows will display instantly. If the results seem off, double-check the column you selected, the comparison type, and spelling in your value. Clearing or adjusting a condition will immediately expand or refine the results again, so you can iterate quickly until you see exactly what you need. That's it. You've navigated to your report and applied filter criteria to surface the most relevant rows in seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.